Hey everyone, welcome to Auto Repair. Is your check engine light on and you've pulled up the dreaded P0352 trouble code? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, we'll break down what the P0352 code means, possible causes, and how you can fix it. Let's get started. The P0352 code indicates an issue with the Ignition Coil B Primary or secondary circuit. This means the engine's control module has detected a fault in the ignition coil circuit, affecting engine performance and efficiency. Common cause for P0352. Number 1. Faulty ignition coil. Ignition coil wear out over time, leading to weak or no spark. Cracks, burns, or oil contamination on the coil's failure. Look for cracks, burn marks, or signs of overheating on the ignition coil. If damaged, replace the coil. Number 2. Bad spark plug. Worn out or fouled spark plugs can cause misfires, leading to P0352. Damaged spark plug wires can cause an incomplete circuit. If the plug is fouled, worn, or corroded, replace it. Check the spark plug wire for damage, if applicable. Number 3. Wiring issues. Corroded, frayed, or loose wiring can cause voltage loss to the coil. Check for damaged insulation or burnt wires. Look for corroded, loose, or broken connections in the ignition coil circuit. Use a multimeter to check for proper voltage, 12, at the ignition coil connector. Number 4. Faulty coil driver circuit in the ECM or PCM. In rare cases, the ECM may not properly control the ignition coil. A failed transistor inside the PCM may prevent the coil from working correctly. If the wiring and ignition components check out, but the code remains, the issue may be inside the PCM itself. Number 5. Weak or dead battery. A low battery voltage can lead to ignition system malfunctions. Alternator issues may cause an inconsistent power supply. Look for corrosion on battery terminals, white or greenish buildup. Check for loose or damaged cables. If the battery case is swollen or leaking, it must be replaced. Driving with P0352 is not recommended. A failing ignition coil can cause severe misfires, leading to poor performance and potential engine damage. Unburned fuel can overheat the catalytic converter, resulting in expensive repairs. The car may stall unexpectedly, creating a safety hazard. If you experience rough driving, loss of power, or frequent stalling, address the issue immediately to prevent further damage. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe.